Everybody, today I have come here to Idupalpai to pay my respects to the great leader and late Rajshekhar Reddy Garu, who was a hero for me. And before I take my oath in Delhi Parliament, that is for the Rajya Sabha, I wanted to pay my respects for him and then take my oath. So today morning I have decided to come here, complete these formalities which I wanted to do. Otherwise my conscience will not permit me to accept the Rajya Sabha election also, which I have won. So I wanted to complete my duty, and I have lot of respect for the family. And today, you know how Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, how hard he is working, and I'm sure he is going to sit in the Chief Minister's chair without doubt, because the way he's working today, everybody, all the public are watching what is happening in the state, and people want to definitely vote for him and see that he sits there and carries out all the whatever his father has left behind. I am sure he will do better than his father also, and all my respects for Rajshekhar Reddy Garu and his family.